Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data, backup photos, contacts, and important files to cloud or PC so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected during the reset. Now open Settings, search for System Management or More Settings, and locate Backup and Reset. These steps initiate the factory reset process and prepare the phone to wipe safely without interruption. You will now perform the reset itself. Tap Factory Data Reset and read the list of accounts and apps to be erased so you know what to expect. Then confirm using your device PIN or password. If you need a full wipe, choose Erase Internal Storage as well. Once confirmed, the phone will reboot and start wiping. Let it finish. Interrupting power or disconnecting can leave the system unstable, so be patient until it restarts. After the wipe completes, your phone reboots to the setup screen. You should follow the on-screen steps to choose language, Wi-Fi, and then sign into your Google or Vivo account. This avoids FRP lock issues. If the device gets stuck in a boot loop, power it off and enter recovery mode to select Wipe Data/Factory Reset again. If FRP prevents setup, you must use the original account credentials or contact Vivo support for author.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.